Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader, known as Fijian Traders. This is your host, Mr. Singh. Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. What a day of a recovery for Palantir, even though when the market opened up, we gapped down and came all the way to $21.72. As on my previous video, I mentioned the $22.05, the support level, and folks, we came to the test level, and we were at time and time $22.05 acted as a support, resistance, support, and then we kind of finished the day with $22.72. But before talking on the technical side, I'm going to cover the fundamentals, my portfolio, what we're looking at, and also what are the key levels for this week coming up on Palantir. And I'm excited. I am really excited what I see with Palantir right now. So what's going on with Palantir Technologies today? That is on Tuesday. Palantir Technologies shares are trading lower on Tuesday. In exchange of 13G, the exchange filing, Denver-based software company said its own 5.6% stake in the healthcare recoveries and data analysis company MSP Recovery, and Palantir currently holds 955,642 shares. The 13G filing was dated on March 22. However, it was released yesterday. As the shares of Palantir gained of 165% from past year, the firm had received a contract from the Defense Information. Growth. That's all we want to see, right? And Palantir has won the contract of the deliver for the electronic battlement management, the joint diligence support. So, in terms of growth level for Palantir, it is there, and their company is growing at a space, and definitely the stock price love to see in the triple digits on that, and it's just a matter of time when we're gonna see that. So what's going on the stock today, and that's why I wanted to share with you guys, because the growth level is still there. Up to 168% in a year. Is it too late to buy Palantir stock? Well, we can clearly see that one of the stocks, kind of skimming through on this article, one stock repaying the benefits increase of all demand in Palantir, which surged of 186% in past 52 weeks. A recent click has sparked an upward trajectory of the news of Palantir outperformed revivals of 178.4 million an Army contract. However, Palantir's robust financial performance over last year has convincingly underpinned the bull run of its shares. So 100%, right? So the amount, if you're getting this contract and if you are not enough profitable or are making a lot of profits, then sometimes investors are worried about your operating cost, your manufacturing cost, in order to be substantial on the business. So things like that has investors kind of worried about it. Like look at Nvidia, right? Definitely Nvidia is a different level, but if you clearly see that how they have been profitable, how the growth level is coming, everything is aligning towards it, where the cost is so low and the profit margin is way above. So in that way, they are always on the total revenue side. So something to keep an eye. I am a still big time bull on Palantir, and my plan is to add more shares, which I'm going to talk on later in the video about my portfolio. Also, on this article came out today, kind of in the comparison, right? What's going on? So Leidos, the well-positioned IT play operating in the defense space. This article of Leidos seems to be more of an IT company operating a defense sector instead of a producer of guns and missiles. Another company that is the part of with Palantir Technologies, and how it has been having a big impact with the stock of this company as well, and how is Palantir stock. So something to keep an eye. Go ahead and check out this in the sneaking alpha about this article. I'm not going to spend more time on that because I got to cover on the technical side and as well my portfolio as well. So it's time to load shares for me. Come to a point, could have sold it, but I hold it up because it came to a key level. Absolutely, I'm about to add another 2,000 shares up here, and my plan is to keep adding up to 5,000. That is my plan, but I'm gonna tell you what area that I'm looking at it. A couple of other the videos that I do on my channel, there's a lot, like such as Neo, Nvidia, OCGN, Amara, Tesla, and clearly see that how I am doing on those two other stocks. Palantir is the one right now is sitting on my red right now. I'm not worried about it because I'm about to add more shares, and it came to an entry point for me. And what does it mean by that? So let's cover with that. folks, first of all, I just want to say thank you. You guys been a good, member on this channel. You see a lot of you guys subscribing, smashes the like button and commenting down below. Love to hear your thoughts. What are we looking at it, and what are the things we are looking moving forward with Palantir? So the things that I want to cover with you guys is how we doing month to date. Absolutely, we're gonna see how we doing month to date. I talked about my previous video about the support level sitting at $21.05. The low was $21.72. Got bounced back, but the $23 level that we gotta break. It is a downtrend pattern, which I mentioned it. It is a downtrend pattern. You'll see get touching at $23.15, getting rejected because the short interest is still there. I know I have not covered that article today, but the short interest is still there, and you'll see get rejected. If it breaks through on that, but the $23.92 is going to be the key level to break. So nothing before we even go to $25.65. The two key levels, because the moving average, which is my pink line, 200-day EMA, we had this crossover with the blue line, which is my 60-day, and it crossed over, means there is a downtrend. With the recovery today like this, we gotta touch this $23.15, and if it break, and then we might rejected. And if we're trading in between these two moving average right here, and we start trading in between these two moving average, then there's a reversal coming up. But if you get rejected, then more pains to come. What does it mean like that? And I'm going to show you on the chart, because we are trading below this moving. You can clearly see that when we had this breakthrough and this my 60-day EMA crossover, the blue line is on top, we had this uptrend throughout the time, and the 25 we went highs of $27.50, but $25.65 was a massive resistance. Time and time got rejected, and then we came through. Where else? On my MACD, you can, even though it's showing a green bars, that's why I'm saying it is gonna come to that $23.15 getting tested, and if it gets rejected, then you are looking at $20 level. $22.05, $20 is right there. That's two area point. But I'm not loading my shares yet. I'm gonna see if it's gonna trade in between. Means if it breaks through those two moving averages and then start trading, then I'm gonna load my shares. But I'm gonna wait. If it's a downtrend keep, then I'm gonna wait and see. If it falls to $20, definitely gonna cut my losses before that. But if it drops and they start trading in between right here, these two channel, then I'm gonna hold and load my shares. So these are the key area points that I am looking for Palantir. How I am seeing it is gonna play out based on the technical side. Fundamentally, this company is great, but they're still working on the operating expense and also the reduction. We need a shorts reduction, right? So the shorts are still there. You can clearly say that this is a 6-month chart. 6 months, it's sitting at $23.23 right there. That's why I am saying we gotta trade in between this channel and break through. But if it gets rejected, then you will be seeing around here, because even the MACD, the sell is still going on. So there's a quick recap on Palantir. Still a bull, but this is a very important week for us, because if we don't break the $23 level and kind of close at $24 level, then we are coming back again. Absolutely, we are coming down again. But if it breaks and holds it, with this good news are coming in, then you're gonna see highs of $27.50 and then $29.39. Right now, it is showing it's gonna be getting rejected. So let's wait and see what we have in play. Folks, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday and Tuesday trading. Next video is coming up this very shortly. So please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification, and comment down below. Love to hear your thoughts on Palantir. What are you guys looking as your entry point, exit? What is your target on that? I still believe this stock should be at triple digits on that, based on the company's the growth level in terms of getting the big contracts, right? And that is a big growth level for any company to look at it. So folks, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.